Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm in the process of cleaning my rifle since my last range time. And hopefully not the last kung makakakuha sana tayo ng PTT para alam mo yun, makapag-train. At the same time, mabigyan din natin ng mileage yung gun. So I was actually cleaning, may napansin ako while kinalas ko yung extractor pin. So as you can see, yan no, wala siyang rubber, which I think sa ibang rifles meron, but I'm not entirely sure ha. Meron siyang o-ring dito. It actually prevents friction pag pumuputok tayo. And as you can see here, yan o, medyo gasgas na nga siya kasi wala siyang rubber and yung o-ring na sinasabi ko. So what does it do? Sabi ni Google, increase the extractor's grip on a cartridge case by adding tension to the extractor spring, which helps ensure reliable extraction and prevent cases from being left in the chamber. So, meaning, maiiwasan natin yung failure to extract kung saan naiiwan yung empty slug sa BCG, which cause, syempre, malfunction. So, going to the bolt carrier naman, pansin ko dito, medyo visible na yung mga ah, gas-gas niya oh. Kung makikita nyo rito, it's around 60 rounds. Pero probably because sa bakal niya or baka kulang yung pag-oil ko, not entirely sure. Pero so far naman yung 60 rounds na yun, as in zero malfunctions and hindi siya nag-overgas. Kasi nga, siguro dahil bago pa. Pero I'll definitely update you guys kung may mga pagbabago sa performance niya. Isang advantage din pala ng BCG na to is it's for an M16 BCG. Pwede siya i-full auto, pero just quick reminder, hindi para sa atin yun ah. Tapos chinek ko din yung extractor niya, kung fit ba siya sa firing pin. Ito yung butas na maliit na nagtitrigger sa pagputok ng bala. According kasi sa isang fina-follow ko na gunsmith, para daw makita mo kung okay yung pagkakagawa sa mga parts like extractor, dapat yung diameter nito halos sakto sa firing pin. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito dapat yung magiging itsura niya. So, pasok ko yung firing pin. Tapos yan, oh, may kita nyo. Medyo blurry lang, pero as you can see here, ayan. So, parang sakto yung butas sa firing pin, which it prevents gas-related issue ng rifle. So, yan na muna mga sirs sa aking quick update ng napansin ko. Well, pag meron naman ako nakita or nalaman, I'll definitely let you all know. So, subscribe kayo mga sir kasi I plan to have another rifle kung papalarin tayo. Okay, so again, this is your average shooter, average one, ciao.